Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in wintry white and silver. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now always remember, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now this week on Tablescape Tuesdays, I have a guest, and it's decorating with jazzy green. The theme is wintry white and silver. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. So if you guys haven't been over to see Liz's channel, Decorating with Jazzy Green, then you are missing out, because she does amazing home decor and tablescapes and all that kind of stuff. I mean, just head on over there, let her know that I sent you, and subscribe to her channel, guys. So I am lighting the candles, and you know what that means. We're gonna head on over to the reveal. this tablescape came out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. Beautiful for a wintry white and silver tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.